Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP creating internal tables. So data statement is used to declare an internal table, and the program must be told whether the table begins and ends. So use the begin of statement and then declare the table name. After this, the occurs addition is used followed by a number. Here, 0 occurs tells SAP that an internal table is being created, and 0 states that it will not contain any records initially. It will then expand as it is filled with the data. So the syntax, the data begin of internal table occurs 0. So let us create the fields on a new line. For instance, create a name which is declared as like z customers1 underscore name, and create another field called dov like z customers1 hyphen dov. It is useful initially to give the field names in internal tables the same names as other fields that have been created elsewhere. Finally, declare the end of internal table with end of internal table as shown. Data begin of itab 01 occurs 0. Name like z customer1 hyphen name. Here itab 01 is commonly used shorthand when creating temporary tables in SAP. The occurs clause is used to define the body of an internal table by declaring the fields for the table. When the occurs clause is used, you can specify a numeric constant n to determine additional default memory if required. The default size of memory that is used by the occur0 clause is 8 KB. The structure of the internal table is now created, and the code can be written to fill it with records. An internal table can be created with or without using a header line. So to create an internal table with a header line, use either begin of clause before the occurs clause or with the header line clause after the occurs clause in the definition of the internal table. To create an internal table without a header line, use the occurs clause without the begin of clause. You can also create an internal table as a local data type. A data type used only in the context of current program by using the type statement. A statement uses type or like clause to refer to an existing table. The syntax to create an internal table as a local data type. Type internal table, type like internal table, type of line, type item with key initial size number. Here the internal table type specifies a table type for an internal table, and the line type item specifies a type for line for an internal table. In type statement, you can use the type clause to specify the line type of an internal table. Specifying a key for an internal table is optional, and if the user does not specify a key, the SAP system defines a table type with an arbitrary key. Example, open the ABAP editor by executing a C38 transaction. In the initial screen, enter the name, select a source code radio button, click create button. In ABAP program attribute dialog box, enter a short description for the program in the title field. Select executable option from the type drop down menu in the attribute box. Click the save button, write the following code, save, activate and execute the program as usual. So in this example, my table is an internal table and a unique key is defined as cust ID field. Above code produce the output. My table is an internal table. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP creating internal table. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.